Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content. If that's the kind of content you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are reviewing such an important collection to me. This is the new Roxi collection in Revolution, with collaboration to Revolution. She like sneak peeked that she was working on something the other day, and then all of a sudden it was a collaboration with Roxi, with Revolution. I am so happy. Like, the packaging is gorgeous. This is her Cherry Blossom collection, and I believe this is her 4th collection. Ain't that insane? 4 collections, and I've got every single one from every collection. I love her collections. I swear, they are so nice, and it's so on trend but unique, if that makes sense, at the same time. So she's got like a blush duo which just looks like this. This was £8. She has a highlighter duo which just looks like this. Again, that was £8. She's got a lip kit which I think was £6, and this is actually a lip liner and a lip gloss. I love that, because sometimes you just don't need a liquid lipstick, do you? Then there's a palette. This palette, even though it's like the size of, you know, like the Mini Friends palettes, I opened it and first of all, it says her name right there. It's actually thicker than those palettes. It's cardboard, it's got a little mirror there, and then it says Roxi in the centre there. So it is actually really gorgeous. I love it. She said in her reveal video that she was inspired by Japan. She loves Japanese stuff, so this is what has inspired her. She actually created this little avatar on here. She actually digitally created that, so I'm so happy. I also am quite ill. I think I have tonsillitis or something, so my voice is off, that's why, but I really wanted to film this and we will do it. We will get this up, we will get this filmed. So the first thing I need to do is prime my eyelids. Oh my god, my face never tans, does it? Okay, now we're gonna start by using the eyeshadow palette. I'm so excited to use this. I actually need my eyeshadow brushes. Nothing is ever where I put it. I'm going to go very Lizzie and take that raspberry shade down here, and it's called Raspberry, and put that in the outer corner. My brother's actually working out, so if you can hear him, I'm sorry. I love it. He's now working from home and this idiot is working out when I want to film. Always happens, doesn't it? That is a really lovely shade. It's blended out so smoothly. Now, I've seen Roxi do a spotlight eye, I've seen Luce do a video. I'm going to link Luce's video down below, and I'm going to link, if they're up already, Alex and Jodie should be doing a video, and if they're not up, I'll just link their channels. But you guys who have been watching me for a little while should know who they are. So yeah, I'm definitely going to link those videos down below for you guys to watch, because I cannot wait to see what they do. The next shade we're going to go in with is this shade here called Sakura. I just love a Roxi collection. It's just so nice. We're going to just put this in the inner corner here. And what I love the most about Roxi's collections is that usually when she does them, she tries to cater for most of the skin tones, because sometimes I find collections, people just cater to their skin tone, or lighter skin tone, fair skin tones. And I don't mind, but it's nice when a collection does involve items that everybody can use. I'm just going to blend out the edges here. So like her blush palette and her bronzer and contour palette, like she really did think about skin tones with that, and I'm so happy that she did. So, and I'm just loving the theme of this collection. Something different. And she said she wanted to like put her gaming hobby into this collection, which you can clearly see, and I'm not a gamer, but I love makeup, so obviously, and anything pink and purple and girly, so I just love it. Like, look at it. And I just want to blend out the edges with this shade here, Vanilla. Back in the day, I used to be obsessed with using white shades to blend out edges. For the lid shade, I'm thinking, what, Pink Sparkle? No, let's go in with Glisten, this one here. She said that the formula of these eyeshadows are exactly like the formula of her other palettes, and I really like those. This one's more of like a pressed pigment, it feels like. That shade is gorgeous. So really wet looking. I'm gonna go and just like blend this out a little bit more and then come back for the next item, which will be the blushes, which I'm so excited for. I feel like the blushes and the lip kits are like my thing that I'm looking forward to using the most. Like, I'm so excited for those. Just finished the eyes off. Now let's do some blush. I've put some foundation on. Again, I'm using the Revolution Conceal and Glow. This foundation is so nice. Like, if you haven't used it, use it. You need it. You get 2 blushes for the price of £8, and I think that's a hell of a deal, to be fair. I really do, because one of their blushes is usually £6. So you get like a pink one and an orange one. And I actually don't think the names are on the tube. So I believe the pink one, oh crap, is Sakura, and Orange Blossom is the orange one. Oh, what? Can't believe they're not on the tube. Knowing me, I'm going to lose them. Well, I'm going to throw the... No, I'm not going to throw the box. I still have Roxi's box that has her liquid lipsticks in from one of her other launches. I really want to do orange. Should we just do orange on one and pink on the other? There are the swatches there. The pink one, again, like I said, is called Sakura, and the orange one is Orange Blossom. So we're just going to do one on one cheek, aren't we? Just going to start with a little bit. That is really nice. It's not like an over-the-top orange, like a bright orange. It is a really nice toned down one. And then let's do the pink now. That is bright. Wow. I put way too much on, so I'm just gonna like use a beauty blender, and then I go over the top with powder anyway. I actually like the orange one. I feel like that is my favourite one, and we're going to do the highlight now. Then I'll go over the top with a bit of powder and hopefully dull this down a bit. But that was bright, so just use a little bit. I knew that was going to happen. You're going to have to look at the bright cheek for a little while, I'm sorry. We have 2 shades here. We've got the shade Sunlight and Moonlight, and I feel like the shade Sunlight is the one I want to go for because it's the more gold looking one. Just love the packaging. Again, there's no name on it, which is fine. I'm just going to make sure I keep it in the packaging. And she did say in a video to dot it on and then blend it out quite quickly because it does dry down. So I'm going to try a beauty blender for this, and I've lost the one that I was using. That's a really nice shade. Just going to try it with a brush. I feel like I like it better with the brush. God, this cheek is so bright. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and just powder down and come back for the liquid lipstick. Lip kit. I feel like the blush, I was able to like dull it down a bit with powder, so that's good. But I actually really like the orange side more than the pink, which is weird. Actually, it's not weird. I've become more of an orange person lately. I love like orange eyeshadows. I would love orange lips. Like, I'm just loving the orange shades. So yeah, I think that's probably why I like Orange Blossom more than Sakura. But we have the lip kit to test. I'm excited because it actually says Roxi there. I don't know if my camera's going to pick up that writing. It's also got her little avatar on the edge there. If this wasn't a Roxi launch right now, I would probably be in bed not filming. My voice just keeps going, but I love Roxi to pieces, so I'm gonna film this. I'm gonna persevere. I'm gonna film this. I'm sorry if I'm not like upbeat, chirpy self, but I will get through this. There's plastic on the liner. It's one thing I don't like. There's plastic on liners. Okay, so we have the lip liner. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely gorgeous. And then we have the lip gloss, which is a lighter shade, which I love because it's so good for ombre. There we go. Let's put these on my lips. I hope the lip liner is creamy because I love a good creamy liner. Oh, I did put a bit of that raspberry shade under my lash line too. That is really nice. So I'm going to fill in my whole lip because this is I'm going to fill in the outer corners and see how pigmented this gloss is on my lips. Okay, that is the lip liner. At first it was a little bit hard, but I think as it warmed to my skin it got quite creamy, so I think it just needs to warm a little bit. Now let's do the gloss. Oh, I lost the stopper. Oh, I don't know where the stopper... I think I must have pushed it down. Did it have a stopper? It must have done. Okay. No, I'm making a huge mess. No. I'm just gonna sort my lips out quick because too much product went on. Oh, I'm gonna buy another one, I don't care. I don't know where the stopper went. Like, I must have pushed it in, but I'm too weak to be able to have that kind of energy to push a stopper in. It might have been a bit faulty, which is fine. Now I've got like gloss in the corners. Hold on. I'm gonna use the lip brush for this. Okay, that's the lips done. I just need to throw on a bit of mascara and then the look is complete. No, I forgot. Inner corner highlight, so let's do that. We are going to go for Dazzle or Glow. I'm going to mix Dazzle and Glow together because I like that more of a bronzier in the corner highlight, but I know a lot of people that disagree with me and they enjoy the more icier tone. But I think it's just because I love golden undertones. I know Alex is really going to enjoy this icy glow shade in the inner corner. Ooh, that is mega bright. We're done. We are done, and I have nothing but positive things to say about this collection. The lip kit is really pretty. It's like, if you love your really girly lip colours, you're going to love this. I do go for more darker, richer tones, but the lip liner was pretty nice, and it is a colour that wouldn't come off my hand, which is fine, but it is a colour I would reach for, and then I would put more of like a nudier shade in the centre, but this looks stunning. It's definitely straight on her trend. It's something that I see would suit her, and I love it. I just broke the stopper. The blushes is one of my favourite things from this collection. The blushes are gorgeous. You need the tiniest amount, literally the tiniest amount, to use them. I feel like Sakura, just a tiny bit. The orange one I probably could have built up a little bit more, but I powdered down and it looks gorgeous on the skin, so I really love both of those. Managed to get glitter under my eyeballs. The highlights are stunning too. I do love them. Sunlight, I knew I was going to love that shade when I saw it in her video. It gives the nice subtle glow. It's not too much bam in your face. I'm sure if you mix them together, which I believe she did, it would look really nice. But it is a stunning glow. I love it on my forehead. It really melted into my skin. The palette is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. And she said that she put on the box the same as the box. She put on the box the same as the packaging, because some people do throw the boxes. I never throw influencer boxes away because I keep them. They're like collectors for me. But this is gorgeous, and I love the colour story. I love that there's 5 mattes and 4 shimmers in there. I love that she's put her R symbol in all of the shades. I love that the mirror's a heart shape. It's all just very pretty, very cute, very on trend, and I love it all. I really do. So she really did smash this collection, and I've got nothing but great things to say about it. So I really hope you did enjoy this video. I'm so sorry that I'm so ill, but I had to get this up. I really did. And I will see you in my next one. Bye.